Project management is a systematic approach to planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve specific goals and meet specific success criteria within a specified time frame. It involves applying knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. The main objective of project management is to complete the project efficiently and effectively, ensuring that the project's goals and objectives are achieved within the constraints of scope, time, cost, and quality. Key components of project management. Initiation. Defining the project. This involves identifying the project's purpose, objectives, and feasibility. Stakeholder identification. Identifying and analyzing the needs and expectations of all stakeholders. Planning. Scope management. Defining what is included in the project and what is not, to avoid scope creep. Time management. Developing a project schedule, including timelines, milestones, and deadlines. Cost management. Estimating costs and developing a budget to ensure the project can be completed within financial constraints. Quality management. Setting quality standards and determining how to meet them. Resource management. Identifying and allocating resources, human, equipment, materials, required for the project. Risk management. Identifying potential risks, analyzing their impact, and planning mitigation strategies. Communication management. Developing a communication plan to ensure timely and effective communication among stakeholders. Procurement management. Planning for the acquisition of goods and services from external sources. Execution. Resource allocation. Assigning tasks to team members and ensuring resources are used effectively. Quality assurance. Monitoring and controlling project quality throughout execution. Stakeholder engagement. Managing stakeholder expectations and ensuring their needs are met. Monitoring and controlling. Performance measurement. Tracking project progress against the plan, including scope, schedule, and budget. Change control. Managing changes to the project scope, schedule, and costs. Risk monitoring. Continuously identifying and addressing risks as they arise. Closing. Project completion. Ensuring all project work is completed and project objectives are met. Stakeholder approval. Obtaining formal acceptance of the project deliverables. Post-project evaluation. Conducting a review to identify lessons learned and best practices for future projects. Tools and techniques. Project management software. Tools like Microsoft Project, Asana, Trello, and Jira help manage tasks, schedules, and resources. Gantt charts. Visual timelines that help in planning and tracking project progress. Critical path method. CPM, a technique used to identify the sequence of essential tasks that determine the project duration. PERT. Program Evaluation Review Technique, a statistical tool used to analyze and represent the tasks involved in completing a project. Importance of project management. Effective project management is crucial for the success of any project. It helps in clearly defining objectives, improving resource management, controlling costs, ensuring quality, managing risks, and maintaining stakeholder satisfaction. Ultimately, it enables organizations to deliver projects on time and within budget, meeting or exceeding stakeholder expectations. Project management is essential in various industries, including construction, IT, healthcare, finance, and marketing. By applying the principles and practices of project management, organizations can achieve their strategic goals and gain a competitive edge in the market.